the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Candace Denise, and I'm back again with another video. What's up, y'all? New background unlocked. But I hope everybody's doing good, safe, sanitized, you know, living, loving on the people that love on you, and pouring into the people that pour into you, because life is so short. Now, as you can tell from the title, we have another, and yes, another Amazon haul. Listen, judge not, lest you be judged, okay? They're just bringing box after box after box, and I don't know how. Like, I'm not ordering it. But I got some content creator must-haves today. Now, I did order some stuff for my goddaughter's birthday party. She's turning 16 in a few days. Pray for me, y'all. I pray for you. You pray for me. Keep me lifted. So I ordered some stuff for her birthday party. So I'm not going to show you that. We'll have a separate vlog because we're going to do something, you know, for her birthday. We're going to do like a little sleepover shindig. I'm going to show you all the little things that I did order that I can show you. So let's just get right on into it. I don't know what this is. Like, I know what I ordered, but like they sent it in like different boxes. So I don't know what is what. Okay. First thing I see. Why is it open? They couldn't close the box? Okay. This is a car mount. So I can use this for my phone and my camera, supposedly. It's a rear view mirror phone holder for the car. So this is what it's going to end up looking like when I mount it in my car. But I wanted something that's set up a little higher because I have one, but it sits like on the dash, and my dashboard is a little high. Yeah, and then it gets the steering wheel all in the way. So I wanted something else. I wanted to give it a try. So I'm gonna have to set that up in my car. But that's gonna make for seamless vlog videos. Like if I'm in the car or driving or something, that way I don't have to look at the phone or be so worried about the angle. We can have seamless angles on angles. I also got some mounting support kits. It's for camera hot shoe, so I have to put it together to show you how it works. But I saw the idea on TikTok, and I can't remember the creator's name to give them credit. But yeah, so basically I'm going to be able to have my camera and my phone in a mount at the same time, which I need. Especially being so that I can vlog TikTok and YouTube simultaneously. Because that's the hard part. Trying to do all this stuff. It's just hard to do both at the same time. With the correct setup, it'll make for easier, seamless videos. So this is what I was talking about. So this is the setup with the new case, the new tripod, and this is the one with the phone on it. It's a little heavy, so I would only use it for when I'm at home. This is the piece that I was waiting on. And then you have the camera, then you have my phone. What did I put? Oh, I'm gonna lose the scissors a million times. Let's listen to this one. I'm wondering if it's gonna be enough. There's stick-on lights for my vanity. So I have some already, but I wanted some more that would be brighter. So you just put the tab on the back, and you stick it on the vanity. These are supposed to be the LED ones. So they're connected by a wire. And they have a remote that, well, it's not like a huge remote. but it's like this remote that comes along with it. It's USB plug, 5-level brightness, adjustable length, and 3 color temperatures. From the pictures and the reviews on Amazon, it does get like really, really bright. We're gonna keep hope alive, but it's gonna work. Oh, this is the handheld tripod that I need. I got a new tripod for my camera. Oh, I like this. It's not like super flimsy. I'm not gonna say my other one is flimsy. It's the one that came with the camera. It's taller, definitely, but like I feel like it just wasn't attaching to my camera tight enough. So I got this one. It also comes with the thing for the phone as well, so I can either use it if I'm recording with my phone or with my camera. And it comes with a Bluetooth remote as well. This little thing. It says that thing is for sport camera. So that's this. I'm excited. Oh, this is my new tripod. You see I went crazy on the pink stuff? I just had to have it. This also comes with the remote. It comes with the little sport camera piece. What's a sport camera? It comes with the piece for the phone. And we have the tripod itself. But you see how you can hold it like this and you can use it like this? Or, bam. This is 62 inches, so that's 12 times 5 is 60. So like 5 feet and some change. I can touch the ceiling with this. Uh-oh. What do I want to do the ceiling challenge? That is too low. I'm doing no ceiling challenge in here. It's also very portable, so this can easily go in my suitcase, which is important for me as well. And let's keep going and see what else we got. If you're loving on me, I don't want no whips and chains. A new camera case. Oh, I was gonna put it on, but I'm talking to you on the camera now. But this case is for my camera, which is a Sony ZV-1. How do I get in it? Look at it. Got the little flap for how it protrudes out. I just wanted a new case. I should have ordered another screen protector. I ordered some dry erase markers, and you'll see why very soon. I ordered a new thermal label print. And it better be pink, because the one on the box says it's gray. And I ain't ordered no gray printer. Okay, it's pink. That means we about to be Poshmarking soon, y'all. It's about time, because I got clothes in all of the closets in my house. But we not gonna judge. That's what we not gonna do. Okay. Some of the room, all of the rooms, and then it's still bins of clothes. I even got some clothes hanging on the clothing rack right now. This is a phone tripod mount, which now looking on everything that I got, I shouldn't have even ordered this, because everything came with a little tripod mount holder. But like I said, this is gonna help me to have that setup that I'm looking for, which I'm gonna try to put it together once I pull everything out, so that way you can see the vision and see what I'm talking about. Right now I'm just telling you what I'm talking about, but you need to see what I'm talking about. Okay. Ooh, this is for the kitchen, for the Christmas decor. I might have ordered too many of these, but I can't find what I'm looking for as far as like Christmas decor in my colors. So I ordered this pink mesh. The pink, what is it? Tulle mesh? You know, the ribbon around the cabinets in the kitchen, and then make the little bow. So this is what I'm gonna use. So hopefully it comes out the way I envision, because they just didn't have what I needed. is a calendar. And I saw some really cute acrylic ones, but they weren't big enough for me. So I'm going to put this, I don't know what room I'm going to put this in. I want to make sure that I'm staying organized and I have a visual. It's like, for me, people, you know, use like the computer calendars and organizing and stuff, but me, I'm a visual learner. So like I have to write it. But yeah, so I'm definitely excited about using this calendar to stay organized and ahead and on top of everything I need to do content creator wise. And it comes with these magnets. The size of this 20 by 30 inches. So it's a plain calendar. You just write in everything basically. So I'm excited about that. I'm not gonna tell you. Anywho, let me know your thoughts down in the comments, y'all. Let me know if you scooped up any of these items. Are they on your list? Do you use them? Or if there's any other content creator must-haves that you think I should have? Let me know down in the comments, y'all. Make sure you like this video and make sure, most importantly, that you are subscribed to my channel and have those notifications turned on so that when I post a video, you will know and you won't miss it. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for your love and thank you for your support. And if no one else has told you that they loved you, just know that Candace Denise does love you from the bottom of my heart. Hold on, let me put this down. Ow! Oh, it comes with screws too, y'all, to mount on the wall, but I'll probably use something else. I will see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Bye!